How to remove junk files from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your iPhone. The Mail app is a central hub for managing all your email accounts in one place. Once you're in the Mailboxes view, tap on Junk under the iCloud section. Here, you will see a list of all your junk emails. Tap on Select in the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the circle next to the email you want to delete to select it. Once selected, tap on the delete icon at the bottom of the screen as shown. The selected junk email will now be permanently removed from your mailbox. This way, you can save space in your mail and overall keep it tidy. Following these steps, you can easily remove junk mail on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.